Hello friends, welcome to Learning Perspective, and in this video we will discuss the perspective of an overhead tank with an angle of 60 degree and here the angle of 30 degree. So everything procedure ours remains same. Since our angle is different, so here we are able to see all four columns. So this is our first column, this one is second, third and fourth. So all four column we are able to be see, and all the dimension, plan and side view dimensions are remain same, and in this case our horizon lies above the tank. So we will go to the AutoCAD. So I had keep ready up to this level. So our plan has been drawn, side view has been drawn, horizon I had set, top of the tank. Now we will start how to draw these things. So here, as this column and this column are not in a same position, so what we are going to do, in the perspective all the four columns are able to be seen. So in the perspective all the four columns are going to be seen. So what we have to do, first of all we have to take the projections. So we have to take all the vertical and in all the four corners as well as column projections. So I think we have taken all the projections which are to be required to draw this perspective view. Now I will be first of all select all this line and make the color very light so that able to understand very properly, and make the default light color. Here I will be make a new layer, perspective, color is let's say blue color, and line weight which is going to be apply 0.6 mm or let's say 0.5 mm, and draw the one line sample, selecting this line, by layer, change the color layer to the perspective. Now what is our next step? I will be trim all these lines. Now we need to also draw the vertical lines, but before that I am going to show you this corner location. We need to be take the projection, dummy projection. So I will be extend this two lines and draw the vertical line. So this is what my dummy line. So these blue color lines are my dummy projections, and now rest of the thing remain will be same. Draw the vertical line, to the all the corners. Now next is what we have to, now here as our angle is 60 degree and here 30 degree, so I will be copy these two lines to the station point and extend. See up till now all of the object that we have drawn, that is 45 degrees. So we are drawing the 45 degree line and extend to the picture plane, and from that we are locating the vanishing point. But here our angle is 60 degree and this angle is 30 degree. So this angle is our 60 degree, this angle is 30 degree, and we have to extend these two lines up to the picture plane. So it is not compulsory that from station point you have to take the 45 degree line. So depending on your object, plan of the object, your station point angle will be vary. So as you can see here our angle is 60 degree, so this angle will be also remain 60 degree. Now we have to draw the one vertical line. And what is our next step? We have to take all the horizontal projections from the side view, and this is our red color line is our measure line. So connecting, because of that is touched our picture plane, so connecting those 2 points to the vanishing point 1 and vanishing point 2. Now I will be remove this line because of doesn't require. And what is our next step? So this is our end of the corner, right? So I will be draw the line from this point to this end of the corner to this point and connecting to the opposite side. Here as well, connecting to the opposite side. So as you can see, it is exactly matching with this corner. So we are drawing the line here as well and apply the match property. So our tank has been ready. Now how to locate the column position, that is important. So this is very usual thing that we are normally going to do. But how to locate our column position, so that is important. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to connect these two dummy projection to the opposite vanishing point. So I am connecting this line to the opposite vanishing point and this line to the opposite vanishing point. And now these two lines I am going to change the color, let's say magenta color. So these two lines are very most important. Now we have to identify each and every column. So first of all, let us say we want to draw this column. So this is our corner of the column. So this line and this line. These are the three corners of the column. I'm going to change the color green, and we have to connect this point to this point, this point to this point, and extend up to the top of the tank. And apply the match property. So our one column has been located. Now as we have located this column, now we can also locate this side corner column, right? So for that, what we can do, let us say change the color to the red and apply default property here. So these are three my red color lines are the column lines. So let's say here green line. So these are three my green lines are my column position. So what we need to do, we need to extend this line up to the bottom of the tank and connecting this point to the opposite vanishing point. So like this way you are going to prepare this corner of the column, right? Actually we have done small mistake here. This line should be connecting at here. Okay, so exactly vertical line. Okay, now similarly, let's say first of all change the color to the default. Now similarly we have to look at this three corner. So these three corner of the column, let's say green color, and we need to draw the line from this point right. So here our third column has been drawn, and as you know our angle of the tank is different, so fourth column will be also visible. Now how to locate the fourth column? The fourth column will be located, so these three columns are very easy to plot, right? That is our standard procedure. But how to locate this column? So to locate this column, this line is important for us, because of this line will be shows the line of column of this line. So this line is very most important. So first of all, let us say I will be apply the match property. And what is the next step? First, second, third. These are the three corners of the column. Let's say change the color to the green. And this line is important for us. So as you can see, this face of the column and this face of the column are in a same line. Similarly, this face of the column and this face of the column will be in a same line. So as you can see, and if you want to do the cross verification, this face of the column and this face of the column are also in a same line. So that is exactly matching. So our perspective is correct. So you can also do the cross verification like this. So as you can see, first, second, third, fourth, all the four columns are located. This is our top of the tank, and as our horizon is located above the tank, so we are able to see the top of the tank as well. So I hope you will be enjoying this video, and you will be also having the fun to learn all of these things. So we will meet on the next video with different perspective.